Welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. It's the 22nd of September 2022 and I'm Oshunniyi, bringing you the weekly dose of blockchain news. Coming up, Ibukun, Awoshika and others joined Binance Global Advisory Board. Kraken CEO to step down. Korean tax authorities seize $185 million worth of crypto. Lekki free zone to partner with Gluwa on blockchain. More blockchain events packed for the month. Now let's get you updated on the Crypto Weekly news. First up, Binance, the largest crypto exchange platform in the world by trading volume, has set up a global advisory board to help chart the best path forward for the company, Web3, and crypto. To help chart the best path forward for Web3, crypto, our company, and our users, I have established the Binance Global Advisory Board. I and its 11 other members are taking on a task that no one can do alone. That was according to Binance founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao. Speaking further on the development, Binance CEO said the board will advise the company on regulatory, political, and social matters. The board, which consists of 11 notable business leaders from around the world, will assist the company in navigating the regulatory and political minefield that is the cryptocurrency industry. Ibukun Awoshika, Chairman Nigerian Advisory Board for Impact Investing and Convention on Business Integrity, Henrique de Campo Morelis, a former Brazilian Minister of Economy, David Wright, a former Secretary General of the International Organization of Securities Commissions, Bruno Bazard, a former head of the French Treasury, and 6 other people will make up the board, which is led by Max Bocuse, a former chairman of the US Senate Finance Committee and ambassador to China. We're supercharging our ability to manage regulatory complexity by tapping into the highest level of expertise available anywhere in the world, Mr. Changpeng said. Other members on the list of the advisory board include David Plouffe, a former senator advisor to President Barack Obama, Edward Vaizey, a member of the UK's House of Lords, who was a former Minister of State for Culture and the Digital Economy, Christian Schaefer, a former banker in Germany who founded a data consulting firm. The rest are Adalberto Palma Gomez, a former Mexican Banking and Securities Commission president, Leslie Mastrop, a vice president and CFO of the New Development Bank who previously worked in the government of South Africa and with Bank of America's Merrill Lynch, Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated, and Barclays. Moving on, Jesse Powell, the chief executive officer and co-founder of major cryptocurrency exchange Kraken, will step down from his position after leading affairs at the company for more than a decade. This is yet another leadership change in crypto-related companies in the past several months. According to a press release, Dave Ripley, Kraken's chief operating officer, will replace Powell as the new CEO. Ripley will assume the top executive position once the firm gets a new COO. Meanwhile, Powell, the Kraken's largest shareholder, will remain chairman of the company's board. The co-founder made the decision to step down over a year ago, with the exchange searching for a suitable replacement before choosing Ripley. According to a statement by the former Kraken boss, Dave's proven leadership and experience give me great confidence that he's the ideal successor and the best person to lead Kraken through its next era of growth. I look forward to spending more of my time on the company's products, user experience, and broader industry advocacy. Meanwhile, South Korean tax authorities have seized approximately $185 million worth of digital assets from the tax delinquents since 2021. In the second half of 2020, tax authorities implemented a system of seizing the virtual assets of tax delinquents to pressure them to pay taxes. The authorities seized the delinquents' accounts or assets based on information received from the cryptocurrency exchanges. If the delinquents do not pay the taxes after the seizure of assets, the authorities will sell the cryptocurrencies at market prices to recoup the arrays. The highest amount of digital assets seized from a single delinquent stood at 12.49 billion won, or $8.87 million. The sole resident held about 20 cryptocurrencies, including $2.27 million worth of Bitcoin and $1.34 million worth of Ripple, according to the report. After the seizure, the individual paid the taxes and requested that his assets not be sold. Another delinquent paid the taxes after the authorities seized $6.16 million worth of virtual assets. Additionally, an individual who owed $1.9 million in national taxes had crypto assets worth $2.77 million seized. To close up the news today, The Lekki Free Zone Development Company has said it is in talks with Gluwa, a blockchain technology company, to explore the possibility of fostering a partnership that will engender the use of blockchain to foster trade collaboration, growth, and sustainability among new and existing virtual free zones. Lekki Free Zone's head of strategy, innovation, and special projects, Tomiwa Idowu, disclosed that discussions were ongoing between the firm, the Nigerian Export Processing Zones Authority, and the Gluwa team. Idowu explained that the partnership, when finalized, will create a dashboard for the tokenization of goods into non-fungible tokens and provide digital asset-backed loans for new and existing enterprises who are looking to fund operations and expand businesses, similar to the integration of OpenSea and Compound. I am extremely excited and motivated by the endless possibilities and enormous potentials of such a partnership. It will further establish Lagos State Africa's leading subnational in terms of innovation, economic development, and revenue generation. The Chief Executive Officer of Gluwa, Teo, noted that the firm was keen to partner with the Lekki Free Zone due to its size and proximity to the deep sea port and the Dangote refinery. Finally today, don't forget this important on-site event happening in Lagos, Blockchain and Future Tech event dated 29th and 30th of September, happening live at the Civic Center, Victoria Island, Lagos, which of course will be streamed live on Cryptotvplus. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website, cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter at Cryptotvplus, and on Instagram at officialcryptotvplus to get daily info on our programs. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Oshunniyi. Until next time.